These are the things we need: a mixer, a speaker, and a speaker cable. So we take this thing and plug it into the back of the mixer. Then take the other end and connect it to a power supply. Now let's untangle the cable, put it aside, and start manhandling the speaker. But before that, let's lean the speaker on something so it'll be easier. So you need to unscrew these guys, just turn it left. Then you will see two little holes there. Say hi to them. So now take your speaker cable, and you've probably seen enough hentai to know where this is going. So yeah, just insert the speaker cable into the holes. Like that, then turn right to tighten it. So now we can put the speakers back before some drunk guy knocks it over. So we can take the end of the speaker cable and put it at the back of the mixer where it says speaker outputs either left or right. Now you can finally turn on the mixer and all the fancy lights will come on. So before you plug and test anything, make sure the volume faders are all down and the gain is not at maximum. Now let's test something. Here's my guitar cable and my guitar. Plug one end on the guitar and the other end on channel 1 of the mixer. Now I can turn up the fader for channel 1 and the right speaker. Let's test it. Nani koto da? There's no sound. That's because your volume knob wasn't on. Try that and then... Now there's sound, but it's still too soft, so let's turn up the fader. That's better. Now let's test the microphone. So we turn down the fader and unplug it. Then same thing, one end on the mic and the other end on channel 1 of the mixer. But wait a minute, the microphone is facing the speaker and that will cause feedback. So let's make the speaker stand in the corner and face somewhere else. Now just turn up the fader on channel 1 and test the microphone by tapping on it. Hello, hello. Let's turn up the gain since the fader is already at maximum and it's still not loud enough. That's better. So when you're done, remember, turn down the fader, turn down the gain, and unplug it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, then like and subscribe.